What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you how a couple of subscribers and I turned over $100 a day on ClickBank with completely free ads and without spending a single cent. You don't want to miss this video. It's going to be an excellent strategy on how you can turn over $100 a day in your affiliate marketing business. This is a completely free video over here on YouTube that will show you how to do this. No upsell to some crazy $2,000 course. Let's get straight into it. And the awesome part about this video is that people just like you, viewers, subscribers, have been able to make well over $50 to $100 a day on ClickBank using this unlimited free ad strategy. Before we get started, I just quickly want to mention that this strategy is really beginner friendly. Anybody can do it as long as you have a PC, a laptop, a phone, or an internet connection as well, and you'll be able to make money online with this. This video is just for educational purposes, as my results may be different to other people's that watching this video, as not all of us are going to get the exact same results, but hopefully this video provides just enough value for everybody to benefit from this. But I quickly want to say that if you're not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure to go down below and subscribe with the red notification button so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. My name is Jay, your no BS South African online entrepreneur, coach, forex trader, and on this YouTube channel I'm documenting my journey on how I make money online. So if you want to follow that, make sure you're down below with the red bell on so that you don't miss my latest video. Without further ado, we're gonna hop straight into my PC and get straight into this. If you quickly come over to my ClickBank dashboard over here, yeah, you can see this is not paying boatloads of money, but this is a great way to literally use some free ads with ClickBank over here to generate some extra sales. I mean, yesterday I turned over $54.60 and today was $102.55. That's more or less where I'm going to be in between. The only way to really scale with this is to continue then with paid ads just to grow your audience even more, but this is really not bad revenue considering this is free ads for $157.15 in the last 2 days without spending any money on this. So all of this is complete profit. In order to start doing something like this, come over to this website over here called clickbank.com, which is the #1 affiliate marketplace in the world where you can go and sign up and promote all sorts of digital products and services around the world and get a commission for that. So you want to go and click on start here on the top right of the page. It will then take you to this page over here. You just need to fill all of this out, eventually fill in your email, password, address, and all of that information, and you'll be able to log in with your account that looks like this. So once you're on your account that looks like this, you want to click on the marketplace over here. I'm just going to open this up in a new tab, and over here on the left hand side is where all the magic happens. You can go and view all the different categories of different products that you can go and promote. Top 2 right now would be health and fitness, e-business and e-marketing, and probably spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs. I recommend go and choose something that you enjoy or a niche that you're passionate about. So for example, I'm passionate about e-business and e-marketing and also health and fitness. So I'm going to go and click on e-business and e-marketing over here. If you go and sort by gravity on the sort results by, you can go and view some of the most selling products right now. Now there's an advantage and there's also a disadvantage for this. So obviously, for example, this product over here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. It's got the highest gravity, meaning over 283 people are making commissions off this product this month so far. So what this means is, yes, it's selling well, a lot of people are buying it, but there's also a lot of competition. There's a lot of people promoting it. So that is the disadvantage and I guess the advantage of using gravity. What I usually go and do is I usually filter by gravity, but I scroll down a bit and have a look at the products that are not really too much competition. Anywhere lower than 150 gravity should be fine. We, for example, can go and use ClickWealth System 2021, this offer over here, which you'll go and get paid $15 commission every single sale that you make. Now, what I also like about this, if you hover over these blue arrows over here, they have reoccurring billing, which means every time you refer someone to this product, they have to sign up for a monthly fee and you're going to get a monthly commission for the rest of your life, meaning you're going to make passive income for the rest of your life off this kind of product. So this is what the homepage looks like over here. It's obviously an entire course or program that teaches you how to make money online with affiliate marketing, ClickBank, and CPA marketing over here. And they've got a free training over here which really helps in converting traffic, and obviously they've got a webinar that's busy starting in a few minutes. So this is a perfect product we can go and promote. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on promote of this product. Over here we can then click on generate hop links, and over here is your affiliate link. So every time someone clicks on this link, heads over to this page, purchases this product, you are going to get $15.69 sent to your account. So the whole point of this product is to go out there and give free value to people by giving them a free training, a free webinar. Over here you can see it will take 5 seconds for this video to load. When people go and click on it, it will immediately pay. They don't have to pay anything to watch this free video. And obviously if they want to then go and buy the paid product, they can go and get instant access over here for just $9. And obviously there's there's a couple of upsells and downsells as well. And over here, the website we're going to come over to is called mymediaads.com. And this is a brand new website where you can go and post ads for your social network or media business or any kind of online business, unlimited times, completely for free. As you can see over here, it's all sorts of marketing ads from fashion, finance. You can have a look at all the niches over here. You've got job ads as well and company ads over here as well. And you can also go and post a new ad on the top right over here. Go and click on join on the top right over here, enter your email, password, and confirm all of this. And it's going to take you to a dashboard. So I'm quickly going to do this and I'm going to meet you on the other side. Once you've signed in on your dashboard, you can have a look at some of all the ads available over here. Here you've got a couple of ads available for buying and sellers that are trying to sell something. These are obviously people trying to recruit. Over here, we can go and view a whole bunch of different job ads, account managers, advertising managers, you name it. There's so many different opportunities that you can go and post ads in over here. So what we want to go and do is we want to go and click on post new ad on the top right. We can go and select what is the category that it's in. This is going to be about e-commerce. So what your sources would be affiliation, CPA, it would be CPA marketing, geo-target, you want to go type worldwide. Okay, you can leave that empty. Platform is desktop. For the subject of your ad over here, we can go and type here profit with click wealth system. Now looking for students over here, and then we can click on exclamation mark and come back to the home page over here, and we can go and do this. Paste the title of this ad over here. Paste it here, and then what you want to go and do is you just want to go and put your affiliate link over here. So let's go and click on promote, copy this affiliate link, or let's just regenerate, copy this affiliate link, right click copy, come back to our post ad, paste this over here, and we can just type here free webinar, and we can leave the link over here just like that. Now once we're ready, we can just go and click on post my ad over here, and this ad will now be posted. Okay, so obviously we have to select geo target. Let's go United States, then just click on United States, and then let's go post my ad over here. So now this has been posted. My ad has now been posted. You can also go and bump up your ad by paying an extra 10, 20 bucks over here. So that means you can pay them to list at the top of the page, and that way you're going to get obviously thousands and thousands of more views. Over here you can see your ad is now active. My ad is currently bumped up to the top as I just click bumped up. And what you can go and do is to unlock a database of about 70 websites just like this one, where you can actually go and post your ad and copy and paste it onto 70 different websites, just 70 times your traffic, 70 times your clicks on your affiliate link, and perhaps 70 times your sales. So we're going to copy the link of this website over here called mymediaads.com. Come over to sitelike.org over here, and we can actually go and find websites on the internet that is similar to this website where we can go and post ads. So let's click on search over here and take a look at this. We've got adswiki.com, we've got myadnodes.com, affiliatefix.com, affiliatepub, adswiki.net, thalamus.co, adspyglass.com. So let's just come over to one of these. Let's come over to, for example, adswiki.net. Let's click on the link to this website. Yeah, you can see you can go and push new ads on this marketplace over here. So over here is 73 similar websites to mymediaads.com over here, which you can go and post and copy and paste all of your ads onto all of these websites over here, which really makes it this easy. And what I suggest is set a schedule at this. Post once every second day with a different product on ClickBank in a different niche. Don't always go and spam the same niche with e-commerce products or with health and fitness. Go and vary up the niches. Post once to twice every second day or so. You want to keep it a consistent rate at this to get consistent views, consistent clicks on your links. Now, the better way to go about this is to actually go and create a landing page where you can go and collect emails and usernames and have an opt-in page, and you actually build an email list of all the leads that you go and collect with these websites that you can retarget, send email sequences, bring them back to your offer for more sales. But what I'm going to do is to help you out even more with affiliate marketing. I've got an entire playlist over here. Will teach you how to go and build funnels, landing pages, get traffic, build an email list. It will really help you out in building a successful affiliate marketing business. There's about 60 to 70 videos over here. It's called the Build It All Training 2022, which is the tool I use to build my affiliate marketing businesses. So what I suggest is go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.